happening in the broader markets. It's a good time also to get a technical check on the markets. Let's welcome Ashish Kyal from Wave Strategy Advisors for just that. Ashish, good afternoon. Well, there's been some recovery coming in from the lows. The Nifty now is up 26 points and banks are participating as well. What are the next levels you're watching out for on the benchmarks?
Hi, afternoon to you and all the viewers. If you look at Nifty, it has been managing to protect its prior low on closing basis, and the overall trend from the low it formed at around 19,250 is positive. So I would say prices can head towards the level of 19,800 on the upside. Any dips that you get, use that as a buying opportunity. And also today, the time cycle is on the upside, so it suggests when the time is turning positive. So overall trend is upside for Nifty for the target of 19,800, as long as on the downside 19,480 is intact. Also, very interestingly, there is huge put short build-up happening at around 19,600. So looks like that's also going to be a very important support that's going to play out in today's expiry. As far as Nifty Bank is concerned, if you look at it, it has been a laggard. We are not seeing that kind of attraction that we saw in Nifty over past few days, but today there is some attempt from Nifty Bank to move on the upside. So I think if Nifty Bank can manage to break that 44,700 levels on the upside, there.
ये है मिस्टर DIY, खुद इन्वेस्ट करने का रखते हैं शौक।
Around 42,230.
Ashish, afternoon. Individual stocks?
From individual stock perspective, the first one is from the power space. I think the power sector as a whole is buzzing around, and we can see that CG Power is doing exceptionally well. The stock is up right now, and there has been a huge volume picking up. So the stock can move towards the level of 480 on the upside. So long positions can be created in CG Power, keeping a stop loss of 432 for the target of 480. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be United Breweries. We have seen stellar move in today's session, huge volume pickup. So any dip from here, if we can get it around say 1630, 1635, create long positions in UBL, maintaining a stop loss on the downside at around 1590 for the target of 1765.
Hey, all right. Thank you so much for joining us and telling us about all the picks in the technical space. We'll do one thing, slip into a short break. Up next, we'll put focus on post